Hi, it will just be a short update from me here. It's been some beautiful days here in Norway. Really sunny weather, no clouds, even warm. Winter is finally gone. Let me move into the shadow here. Because of this warm weather, I need to do some repairs on my house or on my garden. I'm currently laying out these bricks around the walls, outer walls on my house. And as you can see, quite a lot of bricks are left to be put into place. I can't even get into my garage. 8,500 kilos. Yeah, that will be fun. But let me take you into the garage. And I had some concerns. If this bike is really ending up the way I would like to have it. So I spent some days now looking at this rear part, and it looks a bit odd. And let me straighten out this steering wheel. I wonder, will it even be okay? So especially let me show you this. What I'm really concerned about is this this gap here. It's really not my preferred solution. So I got some comment about it. Why didn't I lower the seat so it went flush with the frame hoop? So my really concern was that I didn't want this seat to go under the tunnel. I wanted to have this flush against the tank wall, and then I couldn't lower it anymore. So this was the solution. I had to have it in this level, and I really would like the seat to be 1 to 2 centimeters lower, and it's a bit hard as well. So, well, I had to figure out, will this be as I hope to be? So I made some drawings. So let me show you some pictures from my computer. So this is how the bike is now. I took a picture and I removed the background so I could see how it is like in a silhouette. And then I did my magic with my paint program on the PC. I modified the colors and did some tweaks, added some painting, and it ended up like this. And I think it ended up not too bad. So I think I still have a chance of making the bike become decent. But unfortunately, it takes some time now. Because until the rain is coming, I need to just continue on my garden. Hope it will rain soon. Well, not really, or yeah.